Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we are going to understand how to create multiple map layers in Tableau. For this, we'll go in the environment of Tableau. We'll pick up one dimension and one measure from this variable. The multiple selections of the variables can be done with the help of Control Tab on your keyboard, country and sales. Drag it and drop it on the canvas. So it generates only one dot, and that dot is the summation of sales. Now I want this sales to be disintegrated according to the states. So how can I do it? I'll pick up the state from here and I'll drop it into add a marks layer. So you can see. Now all these circles are of uniform size. I want that its radius should change according to the sales. So I'll pick up the sales from here and drop it in the size. Moreover, activate the countries and make sure that the first dot which was there is of orange color. Okay. In state, again change the color and make it of green color. And you can increase the size also from here. Fine. So we are having the first layer of the country, the second layer of the state. Now I want to create the third layer, and that is of the city. I'll pick up the city from here and again I'll drop it in add a marks layer, the third layer. Here also the circle is of the uniform size, but if I drop the sales and drop it into the, if I pick up the sales and drop it into the size, so now the size of the circles will change. I'll increase the size of the circles and I'll change the color also. I'll make it black. So we can see here that this is for the entire country, then this is for the state, and this is for the city. Now I can go here, and if I want to see only of the country, I'll remove these two ticks. If I only want to see about the state, and if I want to activate the city. Moreover, any option can be enabled or disabled from here. Say for example, if I want to disable this order state option, I'll make this disable selections and the lock, and it will be locked. Now I cannot do anything from here. It will be locked. So this is a way you can generate multiple map layers in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.